We have 22 collegiate Division III teams here. We have All-Americans in all of our sports we play here. And specifically, our football team is very prestigious. We're in the top 25 of Division III football teams in the nation. We're very good, we hit hard, and we love winning.
It gets the community out here, it gets the students out here. Everybody enjoys participating in sports, so it's really nice, even if you actually aren't on the team, to actually go out and support those people that you might have had classes with, or you might be roommates with, or you might just live with in your hall too.
Our field's brand new. Our alumni really focus on catering to us, so they donate a lot of stuff. I mean, we get new weights, we just got new treadmills and new other facilities around the school. And our locker rooms are kept, very neat.
Del Val has intramural sports on campus. I, for instance, have played in the basketball program and in the volleyball program.
They get so much from their coaches and the administration. I think our athletic department, the support we offer and the coaches we hire give our student athletes an experience that maybe another student wouldn't get at another university. So we take great pride in being an Aggie and being here at Del Val.